When he says, I will declare martial law, subukan ninyo ako, talagang tetelesin ko kayo. Those are just words. Do not believe what he says. All I know is his heart is right. He will die for his country. Dito sa bahay, merong kakilala ang nanay ko na nagpunta dito. Nagsabi sa kanya meron daw siyang gustong sabihin sa nanay. Pero alam ng nanay ko na yung babaeng yun is psychic. Ang sabi ng psychic was, that nanay, sabi niya, meron kang anak destined to be an important person, really an important person to the country some years far ahead. Sabi na nanay ko, oh, well, there is nothing wrong with that if it's for the good of the country. But the magnitude of what she predicted, my mother could not imagine. Everything here is my mother's, this is her chapel. Itong infant Jesus of Praga in the Catholic tradition is miraculous, parang Nazareno, the Black Nazareno sa Maynila na kinakaguluhan ng tao. Except, ito puti. Ang katapangan niya, nakuha niya sa nanay ko, from the Rowas. Ang tatay ko is really a very principled man. The genius or the brilliance of his son, Rodrigo, got it. He got it right. Nakuha niya yan. Rodrigo does not believe even in predestination. Okay? So, wala yan sa kanya. That knowledge was only between me and my mother and that lady who told her about that. Ito, pinadala ng bahay ni Mayor kasi wala na daw siya mapaglagyan sa bahay niya. Sabi niya, dalahin mo doon sa bahay ng nanay ko. When he became president, he was shocked. So he was just saying na talagang ginusto na daw ng, badlis daw ng palad niya. It is his destiny.